Dear students, in this session we are going to see how to use the calculator for unit 5, either first half of the problem or second half of the problem in the Markov chain. As I said, whenever you use the calculator, first you press shift mode. Okay, first you press shift plus mode and clear everything. When you press shift mode, you will be asking MCL mode all. So choose all and clear all your memories and make it fresh. Then press mode again. Then press mode again and again and again. You will be fixing the decimal. You can see the option like fix SCI norm. Now choose this fix 1. And then when you choose 1, it will ask fix 0 to 9. So fix 4 decimal places for your binomial, all these things. For this kind of problems, 2 decimal places enough. So choose 2. Once you choose 2, now your calculator will fix the data. The decimal places is 2. Okay, with this we'll go to the problem. So with this basic ideas, now we go to the calculator tricks. Since in the unit 5 in Markov chain we are going to use matrix, press mode for 3 times. When you press mode for 3 times, you will be getting a display like this: EQN, matrices and vector. Now I am going to choose the matrix option, so click 2. Now you can see in your calculator display in the top corner somewhere like mat. That means your matrix mode is enabled. Now since we are going to find P1, we know the formula. It is going to be P0 into transition probability matrix capital P. So now what we have to do, we have to enter this P0 as well as the transition probability matrix capital P in the calculator to calculate P1. Let us see one by one how to enter it. So now first press shift plus 4. When you press shift plus 4, you can see dim edit matrix. First of all, we have to enter the dimension. So P0 matrix or P1 or P2, P3, etc. all are going to be a row matrix. So we'll be having only one row, only the columns is going to change. So dim is going to be enter the dimension. If you want to edit this, we are going to use edit. Then if you want to enter the matrix operation, we are going to use. So next, for example, I am taking this P0 initial condition 0.7, 0.2, 0.1. Now the number of rows is going to be 1 and the number of columns is going to be 3. So again press shift plus 4. Now we have to choose the dimensions. So P0 I am going to enter it as the matrix A. I am going to choose it as matrix A. So when you press dim 1, then it will ask for the 3 matrices. So P0 I am going to use it as matrix A, and for the transition probability matrix capital P, I am going to use the matrix B in the calculator. So now if you press 1, it will ask for the dimensions. So for the P0, just now I said the dimension M is going to be 1 since it has 1 rows. N is going to be 3 in our problem. 3 or 2, whatever it is, you are going to use. Now press M1 for M and then it will ask for N. Then press 3 and then press equal to. Now after this, it will ask the value of this P0. So the first value is going to be 0.7. So in calculator, it will ask for mat A11. You have to enter this value. Similarly, it will ask for mat A12, mat A13. So you enter all this value. Now press AC. Okay. Don't press on button. If you press on button, might all your memory get lost. So press AC. Now your computer knows your initial condition P0 as mat A. So now this is ready. Let us go into the next step. That is, we are going to enter the transition probability matrix as matrix B in the calculator. Yeah, as I said, P0 is already stored using matrix A. So matrix A job is over. Now let us take capital P, some 3 cross 3 matrix. Now again press shift plus 4. When you press shift plus 4, as it is, you will be getting the display for this transition probability matrix. As I said, we are going to use mat B. For that, first of all, I have to enter the dimension. Here it is 3 cross 3 matrix. M is 3, N equal to 3. So press 1 here. When you press 1, it will ask for the matrix A, B and C. Since we used already A, I am going to choose B. So press B. Once you press B, then as usual, it will ask for the dimension. So the dimensions are M is 3. So press 3 and equal to button. Then it will ask for N. press 3 and equal to button. Now it is going to be a 3 cross 3 matrix. We have to enter row wise. So your calculator will ask the values like this. Okay. First it will ask mat B11. Put 0.1, press equal to mat B12. 0.5 equal to mat B13 0.4 equal to. So like this you have to enter all the 9 values. Very important thing is you have to verify that you are entering the correct value. So be cautious while you enter the data. Concentrate 100% and enter the correct data carefully. So I'm showing here only 6 values, but you have to enter all the values in the matrix. Then once you did, as usual, as I said, press AC. So now your matrix A is going to be my initial condition. Mat B, which is saved in the calculator, is going to be transition probability matrix. Now we are ready for problem solving purpose. So both the data mat A, mat B is stored in the calculator. Now we know the relation how to find Pn. It is nothing but Pn minus 1 into the transition probability matrix capital P. So if you want to find P1, it is going to be P0 into capital P. So how to solve in calculator? So now P0 into P is nothing but P0 is my matrix A, capital P is going to be my matrix B. Now how to get this? As usual, press shift plus 4. When you see dimension, now already I have entered the dimension. I am not going to edit anything. Now choose the option mat. Okay, so press 3. Now I want to enter this in my calculator. So press A. So when you press 1, your calculator will enter mat A. Similarly, now what you have to do, after getting mat A is entered, press multiplication symbol, again repeat the process, shift plus 4 and then mat will come. Now choose the option mat 3 and then in this choose the option B. For B we are going to choose 2. So now what will happen? You can see in your calculator mat A into mat B like this. When you press equal to button, it will start showing the answer. So since my P1 here, it is going to be 1 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so I will be having 1 row and 3 column. So I will be getting all the answers. So now mat A11 answer is 0.22, 12 is 0.43. 13 is 0.35. That means you have to write like this in your answer sheet. Okay, mat 11 is 0.22, 12 is 0.43, 13 is 0.35. And very important, when you press equal to, don't press down button, all this thing, it will confuse you. Okay, in your calculator always press the right button. So first it will give mat 11, then it will give 12, then it will give 13, and you can copy and you can write P1 like this. Similarly, if you want to find P2, how to do this? That's what I'm going to say now. So P2 means P1 into capital P. But my calculator knows only P0 and P. P1 means again P0 into P and there is one more P outside into P. So it is very simple. P2 means P0 into P square. If I want to find P3, P0 into P cube, etc, etc, etc. So that's going to be very simple, guys. So now to find P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, it doesn't matter. It is very easy using your calculator. So now let us see how to enter this in the calculator. So now we have to find P2. As I said, P2 means hereafter just remember P0 into capital P square. So now go to your calculator. As I said, initial steps, shift plus 4. Now choose mat. In this, the mat option is 3. Then again choose ABC, choose A. So what you get now? You'll be getting mat A. Now repeat the same step. Shift 4, choose mat. Now this time choose 2. So you'll be getting mat B. Okay. So now what you have to do? I need P0 into capital P square. So there is an option square in the calculator, x square. Directly if you press, so you'll be getting P2. Similarly, if I want to find P3, now what I have to do? P3 is going to be P0 into capital P cube. So this is fixed. Using the calculator tricks, I am going to write mat A into, again you enter mat B. You can see x cube is also available. When you press shift plus x square button, you will be getting x cube directly. So when you press, you will be getting the P3 value. Suppose when I want to go for P4, what I have to do? The same procedure, mat A, this will be entered. Now for the P4 value, the formula is going to be P4 is P0 into P power 4. So now enter mat B with the same procedure. Press B square. Again mat B, B square. So now what will happen? The calculator will give you P0 into capital P power 4, guys. So we can easily find P4. Similarly, we can repeat this for P power 5, mat A into mat B cube into mat B square. Suppose you find difficulty in finding this cube or square, you can do like this also. Mat B cube, I can write it as mat B into mat B into mat B. That's it. So it is going to be very simple, guys. So next, for the second half of the problem, in the classification of states for the given matrix P, as I said, you just close your eyes and find P square, P cube, P power 4, P power 5. Okay, most of the problem up to when you go P power 5 will become non-zero. So for this case also it is going to be very easy. Now here we don't need the that initial condition small p naught and all. So do the same process. Since we used matrix B for the previous one, I am choosing matrix B, but it is not mandatory you choose matrix B. Okay, you can choose matrix A also. So now as usual, since P square, this is going to be a 3 cross 3 matrix or 2 cross 2. Here I am considering 3 cross 3. So now the same process. Okay, shift 4, dimension 3 cross 3, then enter all the 9 values, press AC. The P matrix will be stored in the calculator. Now if I want to find P square, the same procedure we are going to do. So mat B square you can put, or you can put mat B into mat B. So once you put this and press equal to, now this is very important how you write the matrix. If you do in the wrong way, then answer will be collapsed. Okay, so first initially it will show mat ans 1 1, so it will show the 1 1 position. So 1 1 position is 0.43 for that matrix which I already saved in the calculator. So always press the right button which is available in your calculator. Okay, you can see here right button, press this, because once you press this it will show row wise. So it will show your matrix 1 2 position, that is going to be 0.31, then 1 3 position 0.26, you have to write like this, 2 1 position 0.24, 2 2 position 0.42, 2 3 position 0.34, 3 1 position 0.36, 0.35, 0.29. Why I am explaining like a layman? Because it is very important. I want every student to get full score. You should not do any mistake in this calculator tricks. So now suppose you are pressing down button in the calculator instead of pressing the right one. What will happen? The first answer is mat answer 1 1, it will show. When you press down button, the problem is it will start showing mat answer 2 1. It will jump into the next row. Okay, so don't do all confusions. Our mantra is always press the right button in the calculator, so that we'll get the row wise data and we can fill the P square matrix. Similarly, when we are going to P cube, I am going to write P square into P. Then in a calculator I am going to simply put mat B cube. I am going to get this very easily. Okay, that's it, students. And now very important thing I have to say, when you solve the problem, please don't directly write the answer. Write P. Okay, here is your sum matrix. Now, if you are finding P square, don't simply directly write the answer. Okay, because people will not give you score marks. So write simply P into P. Just copy the matrix twice. And then in this step, you can write the decimal directly which is shown in your calculator. When you go on to find P cube, similarly write capital P square into P. Now enter the P square matrix here from here what you found, and then we know the P matrix already. Just enter here and then write the answer. If you write the answer directly, sometime you may lose your marks. So make up that you solved something. Similarly, P power 4. You can write P cube into P, then you can copy this P cube value, and then finally you copy the P value from here. Similarly, P5. So fill your page in a very neat way. Okay. For the second half of the unit, already I said how to check whether it is irreducible as well as aperiodic in the shortcut by transition diagram. Now I give the shortcut for calculator tricks, how to manipulate this p square, p cube, p power 4, p power 5, etc. Then after this, we are going to write aperiodicity for the GCD and we are going to prove ergodicity. So I cracked the maximum level using calculator trick ideas as well as the transition diagram. But in the exam, you have to write everything in a proper way to get score. Okay, thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video. Support our channel, like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.